ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I unfortunately saw some videos where kids would pull the fire alarm at school as a prank for April Fool's Day. Which is why I am thankful that we don't have school here today, or else the fire alarm might be pulled for a prank, and that is not good. But this is why pull stations need stoppers with built-in alarms to prevent something like this from happening. Because when you lift the stopper, it will sound an alarm, and what that alarm will do is grab a lot of attention. And the person pulling the fire alarm will be caught, because the administrators are looking at it, and they'll either run away or put it back. This is something that is meant to be taken very seriously. Whenever you hear that alarm go off, you must immediately leave the building. But never be one of those individuals that pulls it for fun, or for a prank, or to get out of class, or to skip a test. Don't pull it for those reasons. Only pull those if there is a real fire, or if you have permission to, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that doesn't contact the fire department. But other than that, do not pull fire alarms. This is not a April Fool's joke. Because fire alarms are very, 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 very serious. These things alert people that the building is on fire and they must evacuate immediately. And these things save lives. So they are nothing to joke around with. They are only meant to be used in emergencies. Bye.